Crowd observations number 28 is here, and watch it! It looks like our camera driver is delivering a little brake check here. Saw the little dip? He told us he was followed way too close by somebody, and this somebody will now offer revenge. What can he say? Two idiots driving on the freeway east of Hamburg. This one seems like he wanted to go British style.
Ich kann mir nicht vorstellen, dass das rechtens ist. Wow! Boah, Alter, das hat jetzt beinahe geknallt.
Watch out for the cyclist. Yup, that sound was the cyclist slapping the car. Even though the dude on the bike didn't have any right to squeeze this way into traffic, there really is no need to totally block him off with the car intentionally. Ah, we got a real proper red light situation. Oh boy, I don't know what's up with such people. Damn! Sick freako. What the f*** is up with this guy? Seriously? People not daring to hit the gas when entering the freeway, but I don't want to be flaming too hard here. Because rather they hold themselves back than them racing like crazy or exceeding their abilities. Do you also know those moments, just cruising the freeway and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, the exit pops up? Well, I gotta be honest, driving for a living for 9 years, yes, I did have a few of those moments, but for approximately 1 million kilometers driven, at most it happened like once a month for me, because I quickly got rid of a hectic driving style. Look at this van. He is braking in advance, but I guess he was hoping nobody was next to him, but surprise! And even blinking lights and mirrors to warn of approaching traffic are no good if people don't watch their mirrors at all. This cyclist seemingly did watch for the car, but wasn't sure about how to react, and then an awkward little situation came together. You got me, pal. Asshole! Oh, this is a cool one. Since way too many people have this obliviousness disease and don't recognize emergency vehicles despite the very loud horn, our camera driver here moved himself as far off the road as possible, so this ambulance can take over despite the cars on the other lane not reacting to it. Scooters have very little power, but even with that, you need to know how to control your ride. Woo! And he rides off into the sunset as if nothing happened. What a legend. Aside from our camera guy slightly running the red light, it's like, dude, where the hell are you going? Some people really are allergic to moving their head, aren't they? Maybe they are vampires. They can't see themselves in the mirror, so why bother at all? This guy has tinted windows. Hint, hint. This guy here is no vampire, just your ordinary idiot. From ahead, there is coming a BMW, and we will meet him in a second.
Perfekt. Erstmal
Ah, come on, Paul. That really wasn't necessary. I see clear indications of aggression there. Trucking Ben is trucking bien. At least he does his very best. Trucks are not permitted in this street except for delivery traffic. Ben certainly doesn't work himself along here for fun, and to make things worse, the obligatory German guy crosses his path and acting as German as it gets. So this apparently very important person is not okay with Ben driving here and now makes a photo of Ben and his truck. What for? Who does he want to give this photo to? I guess Ben knows how pointless it is and just doesn't give a damn about the bullshit of this driver. Do you also have those common parking sensors on your car? You shouldn't totally rely on those because they can fail and then you end up with quite some expensive damage. Both cars may only have a dent in their bumpers, but already that is several $1,000 of repair bills. But man, accidents happen. As long as you're acting responsible, the world doesn't end. This BMW X5 badly hits the other car, and it seems like the driver is escaping the scene. This is a very damn expensive offense in the Deutschland. We've got a pretty narrow residential area, and the driver of the service truck is being a good guy. However, that collides with the impatience of some people.
Was willst du hier? Dahin bitte. Hallo.
Keeps happening anywhere, anytime, impatient people causing traffic issues. Gotcha! Gotcha again! Even though Dodo didn't deliver the fail here, he should seriously watch the distance. What is about to come here, I really can't decide if it was a stupid mistake or sick malice.
Emergency video.
Stop the video!
Try to find the thing that doesn't belong into this picture. That truck just lost something. Watch those two guys here. I guess they have some kind of twisted bromance going on, the way they like to be messing with each other. People with such behavior behind the wheel really need to compensate for something, but the road is not the right place to do that. They should go play video games or in the sandbox for all I care. Be careful driving right next to closed vans. They also have a pretty nasty blind spot.
Mann, du Idiot! Kann doch nicht so bescheuert sein!
Another person not knowing about what those things on the door are good for.
Lieber Gott. Oh, Spiegel benutzen, Kollege.
And I have quite the suspicion that it was the same story here. Ooh, our man here is pretty fast on his bike and gets properly cut off. He's either being very damn fit and working a race bike, or he's using an e-bike with the fastest configuration being legal in Germany. The tire there looks to me like e-bike. He's riding on the road because those bike lanes there are not looking too inviting. Biking infrastructure in Germany really isn't the real deal, and oh, totally forgot the time. This episode is over again. Sorry, but not sorry. Content keeps coming. Until then, there is more episodes on our channel. Go ahead. See you soon again, my friends.